The peanut has a fascinating history that stretches back centuries. Originating in Brazil, South America, it made its way to Africa around 1500, thanks to Portuguese and Spanish ships. Despite its common name, the peanut is actually a legume belonging to the bean family. After pollination, its stalks bend and burrow underground, where the fruit develops. Boiled peanuts, a southern delicacy, are made from green peanuts fresh from the ground. Known by various names like ground nuts, ground peas, and goobers, the peanut found its way into the southeastern United States during the 17th and 18th century. Carried on ships as provisions, it quickly became a staple. The first peanut recipe appeared in Sarah Rutledge's book in 1847, featuring ground nut soup with oysters and pepper. Peanuts even inspired music, with the song Goober Peas becoming popular during the Civil War. Soldiers, known as goober grabbers, relied on peanuts for subsistence. Boiled peanuts became a favorite snack, whether out of necessity or preference, and their popularity soared. As demand grew, peanuts became a versatile commodity used for oil, livestock feed, and even as a coffee substitute. By the turn of the 20th century, boiled peanuts had become a symbol of Southern hospitality, often served at weddings and parties. Boiled peanuts have been a beloved snack in Mississippi for generations, with roots that trace back to the Civil War era. During this tumultuous period, soldiers on both sides relied on peanuts as a readily available source of sustenance when traditional food supplies were scarce. Boiled peanuts became a staple food for soldiers, providing nourishment and comfort during the difficult times. Over the years, boiled peanuts have become deeply ingrained in Mississippi's culinary culture, evolving from a wartime necessity to a cherished Southern tradition. Families across the state have passed down recipes and techniques for preparing boiled peanuts, ensuring that this beloved snack remains a cherished part of Mississippi's culinary heritage. Before we continue, if you like our content so far, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on the Magnolia State. Now, let's get back into it. In Mississippi, boiled peanuts are often associated with social gatherings and community events. Whether enjoyed at a family barbecue, a tailgate party, or a festive celebration, boiled peanuts are a popular snack that brings people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and connection among friends and neighbors. Peanuts have long been an important agricultural crop in Mississippi, contributing significantly to the state's economy. The cultivation and processing of peanuts support local farmers and businesses, providing employment opportunities and contributing to the state's overall prosperity. Boiled peanuts are emblematic of Southern hospitality, symbolizing the warmth, generosity, and friendliness of which Mississippians are known. Offering a bowl of boiled peanuts to guests is a time-honored tradition in the South, reflecting the spirit of hospitality and goodwill. Overall, peanuts hold a special place in Mississippi's culinary landscape, serving as a link to the state's history, culture, and sense of community. Whether enjoyed as a snack at a social gathering or savored as a nostalgic reminder of times past, peanuts continue to play a cherished role in the lives of Mississippians. Today, peanuts are celebrated in gourmet recipes, showcasing their versatility and culinary appeal. For many Southerners, nothing beats the simple pleasure of a boiled peanut. Join us in our future explorations of Mississippi's hidden gems and fascinating tales. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories from the heart of the Magnolia State. Until next time.